Hey, it's Hope from JB Hi-Fi here, and I'm buzzing to tell you about the new GoPro Hero13 Black. GoPro's the king of action cameras, and the Hero13 Black takes things to the next level. We're talking insane 5.3K video, legendary durability, and the game-changing interchangeable lens mods. Whether you're an adventure addict or just keen to capture moments, this is the camera for you. The GoPro Hero13 Black is built for capturing your best moments no matter the adventure. With the new HB series lens mods, you can swap lenses to get the perfect shot, whether you want ultra wide or zoomed in close. Shooting stunning 5K and let the GoPro app do the heavy lifting with quick edits and easy sharing. With mounts for your gear and accessories like waterproof cases and pro-level mics, you're all set to film your adventures with the top-notch quality and flexibility. Whatever you're up to, the GoPro Hero13 has your back for capturing every moment hassle-free. Now let's check it out. The GoPro Hero13 Black now works with HB series lens mods, so you can instantly change up your shots. The ultra-wide lens mod is perfect for those jaw-dropping landscapes and action-packed POV shots, while the macro lens mod gets you up close and personal with every detail. Want that cinematic vibe? The anamorphic lens mod has got you covered. Plus, the camera's smart enough to detect when you've swapped a lens or filter and adjust the settings for you. Too easy, right? With the Hero13 Black's powerful image sensor, you've got options for every kind of shot. Whether it's full screen, widescreen, or the big screen, or vertical videos for social media, this bad boy has got your back. Go full frame with a 156-degree field of view and crop in later for widescreen or vertical shots. No worries! Power's sorted too. The upgraded 1900 mAh Enduro battery keeps you recording for longer. You'll get up to 1.5 hours of 4K 30 or 5.3K 30 recording, or over 2.5 hours at 1080p 30. And if that's not enough, the Contacto waterproof magnetic power cable lets you stay connected to external power in a snap. For extra long sessions, there's even a dual battery charger plus integrated power bank. Basically, a portable charging station for your GoPro. Want to mount your Hero13 Black? Too easy! The magnetic latch mount makes swapping between setups a breeze. Built-in mounting fingers and threads means you can stick this thing to your bike, surfboard, car, or even your helmet, whether you're catching waves or hitting the slopes. The Hero13 Black has the mounts to get the shot you're dreaming of. And when your hands are busy, just use voice commands for full hands-free control. Now about that video quality. It's off the charts! The Hero13 Black shoots in stunning 5.3K, which gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and 665% more than 1080p. Plus, you can pull 24.7 MP stills straight from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Need slow motion? You can slow things down by 13 times or go for smoother slow-mo at 4 times in 5.3K. And with Hypersmooth 6.0, your footage will stay rock steady no matter how wild things get. Plus, you can pull 24.7 megapixel stills straight from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. For all you content creators out there, the built-in GPS is a game changer. You can overlay your speed, path, altitude, and more onto your videos, giving your clips that extra pro touch. And the Hero13 Black isn't just for recording. Use it as a webcam or live stream your adventures directly to your followers. Built to survive whatever you throw at it, the Hero13 Black can handle mud, snow, and water, down to 10 meters. Plus, the water-repelling lens cover keeps your footage crystal clear, even in the toughest conditions. And with horizon lock and hypersmooth stabilization, your videos will look smooth and level, even if your camera spins a full 360 degrees. Still hungry for more? You've also got Bluetooth audio, auto-tuned sound, highlight videos, faster file transfers, and unlimited cloud backup. Want to see it for yourself? Pop into your local JB Hi-Fi or check it out online at jbhifi.co.nz.